please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up with unboxing of this Pochampalli Ikat pure silk handloom saree with the beautiful color combination. It's the olive green with the brown border, you can see here, highlighting the borders with the gold thread weaving. And the cost of this saree is 4,300, and the washing techniques they have given here, as the colors they have used is of dyed, so we have to follow these rules and regulations so that the color will not fade out. Border and pallu have been designed with the same colors, and the bodice completely with the olive green. Both the sides the border is having the same length of 2 inches, and this is the complete bodice of the saree. For the small parties and for the small occasions, this type of sarees is suggestible, and it's pure silk, very light to carry. I'm really loving it because it's easy to carry, and for any seasons it's suitable. And it's wedding anniversary gift. Recently we have celebrated 11th wedding anniversary. So happy to receive this gift from my husband. Wanna share this happiness with you all. Stay tuned to watch how I'll make this saree into designer. Just adding the simple things. So first I'll show you how to do the pico or the zigzag to the pallu. Trim off all the raw edges and make it even. I'll be using this rolled hem footer. I think you can clearly see it right now. Let me replace this rolled hem footer. Selecting the option of zigzag. You can see here mine is Usha Vanda stitch, so I'd be selecting the option of C with the stitch length 1 and a thread adjustment on 2 or 1. Place the wrong side of the saree edging. Just roll a little and feed in this footer like this. Just fold a little on the top like this so that the saree edging will be feeded into the footer, and start stitching little by little. See how neatly it's been concealing. Just in the same way, feed the raw edges in of the footer and give the stitch. And this is how the Pico stitch will be done on the sarees and dupattas edging. That's all friends for now. I hope this basic stitch of concealing the raw edges is useful to you. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Thank you so much for watching.